In this video, I will show you how to convert text into a table in Microsoft Word using a shortcut key. I will also show you how to convert a table back into normal text. First, let's take a set of values separated by commas. We will use this data to create a table. Start by selecting the text. Now, go to the Insert tab. Click on Table, then choose Convert Text to Table. Word automatically detects the commas as the delimiter. It also suggests the number of columns and rows based on the structure of the text. You can adjust these settings if needed. Once everything looks correct, click OK. The text is now converted into a table. Next, let's convert this table back into normal text. Click anywhere inside the table. Then, go to the Layout tab. Click on Convert to Text. Word will ask you to choose a delimiter. This defines how the text will be separated after conversion. You can choose tabs, commas, or another character. I will select tabs. Click OK, and now the table is converted back into plain text. That is how you can quickly convert text into a table and a table back into text in Microsoft Word.